He reigned from 1972 to 2006. His reign of 34 years has become recognized globally for his visionary introduction of gross national happiness, an alternative to GDP as a measure of well-being of a nation. His reign was also significant for the close friendship between India and Bhutan, with India ever supporting Bhutan in its bid to join the UN in 1971 and helping reinforce Bhutan's identity as an independent and sovereign nation. His Majesty's many achievements include economic progress, particularly in industry such as agriculture and hydro. Besides economic strides, the education sector also improved by leaps and bounds, with many students being the beneficiary of international scholarship funded by the government. The end of his reign was also marked by his voluntary abdication and his decision to commence the Institute of Constitutional Democratic Monarch in Bhutan. His visionary leadership has continued under the reign of His Majesty Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk. On December 17, 2023, during the 166th National Day Address, His Majesty King Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk announced, and the legacy of the King, the Gyalfu Mindfulness City projected aims to transform Gyalfu into an economic hub, entering on mindfulness, integrating well-being, substantial development, innovation as key pillars of the country's growth. His Majesty Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk, who is known as the People's King, has modernized Bhutan while preserving its cultural and developing further ties with India. His leadership during the COVID-19 pandemic was particularly notable. His international presence and initiatives have significantly raised Bhutan's profile globally. His Majesty the Fourth King instituted BIFA in 2004 to nurture friendship with India at the grassroots level by way of people-to-people contact. Considering the importance of BIFA, His Majesty Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk commanded that BIFA Day be celebrated on 11th November, coinciding with the birth anniversary of the fourth king. India and Bhutan recognizes BIFA as a very important organization for development and making our friendship strong as ever. And His Majesty the King himself taking the position of President of BIFA. His Majesty the King's far-sightedness vision is to build deep and long-lasting friendship India and Bhutan that strives to emerge as the model friendship in the world. It is a scarce responsibility of every Bhutanese Indian citizens to nurture and deepen level. 4 BIFA chapters have been created along the southern Bhutan border, adjoining with West Bengal, Assam, Arunachal. The BIFA chapter thus formed are Samchi, Phinsaling, Gyalfu, and Samrudongkha. The Samrudongkha BIFA chapter, keeping in mind royal initiatives, both are kings with deep and enthusiastic friendship between India and Bhutan by organizing cultural events, education exchange programs, and sports events for both nations. It is the hope of the Samrudongkha BIFA chapter that these events will help contribute towards creating a lasting friendship between the two countries. As Vice President of BIFA Samrudongkha chapter, I am pleased to organize this event in order to realize the vision and mission of BIFA. I want to thank all our guests participating today and express gratitude for their presence today. We hope that enjoying this event together will deepen our friendship and increase our appreciation for one another. Lastly, I want to congratulate all the winners for today's program and thank all our participants for making this day memorable and